Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Green's theorem. Okay. So I will explain the Green's theorem through an example. Before that, let us see what is saying in this statement. In this statement, it is saying line integral which is equal to surface integral, which means you can calculate area. Okay, you can calculate area for unshaped region by help of Green's theorem. So, in some, I will explain. I will explain this through an example. For example, you just you look at here. This is the unshaped region. Okay, to find area for this unshaped region, we are using integration concept. So simply, I can explain what we are doing by help of integral concept. So we are dividing this unshaped region into several parts, many parts, not several parts, many parts as much as you can. Okay, like I'm doing here. Okay, understand that. Now look at this image. Okay, what you can understand? So now there is a perfect shape. Okay, this is a square, 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 square. So likewise, you can get n number of squares. So you have formula to find area for squares. By help of that formula, you can easily calculate the area. At the end, we will add all these n number of squares. Okay, that is our final answer of area for this unshaped region. Suppose if it is surface area, then if it is surface, then it's okay to find area by help of integral concept. Okay, suppose if you fill with water this area, okay, if you fill with water this area, what happened? Here you can't divide. Okay, this is the area. You just imagine this is a swimming pool. Understand that? This is the swimming pool. It is filled with water. Here you want to find out what is the area to this shape. Understand that? Okay. Here we can't divide the region into many parts because it is filled with water. But somehow we have to find out what is the area to this region when even if it is filled with water. Understand that? Okay. So here what we are going to do, we are going to measure the line integral. This is the line integral. Now we are going to measure the boundary lines, not line integral. We are going to measure the boundary lines. This is the boundary lines. Okay. From boundary lines, we are going to take some values. Okay. By help of that values, we can easily find out what is the area. Understand that? So we don't need to measure this region to say the area. We can directly say area by help of this boundary lines. Understand that? This is what is saying in Green's theorem. Okay, in some situation, we can't find area for all the unshaped region. Whenever it is filled with water or there is flowing water. So if you want to find out how much it is flowing, there you can't measure the values get into the water. Instead, you take a boat, okay, to measure how much the water is flowing into the pond or river, whatever it is. If you want to measure that, you take a boat, okay, you just measure the dx dy, that means displacement only in the line, okay, that means only in the closed boundary line. That means if the river is like this, you have to measure only, this is the your boundary line. You have to measure the displacement only in the boundary line. Understand that? You just imagine this is like a river where you want to find out how much the water is flowing, right? So to measure that, we don't need to measure all these area. Understand that? So instead, you can measure the line. It is very easy to measure the displacement in the line. So by help of this this information in the line, you can calculate, okay, how much the water is flowing, right? So this is the application of Green's theorem. There are so many applications that is functioning in the concept of Green's theorem. So the Green's theorem is always saying the area by using line integral is equal to the area by using surface integral. Understand that? So this is what is saying in the Green's theorem, where m and n is nothing but it is a vector field. Okay, and C is the closed curve, you have given curve, then dx and dy represent the displacement along the curve. Okay, understand that? So thank you so much. I hope you might have a clear idea about Green's theorem and what is Green's theorem, where it is applying. Okay, in next video, we will solve a problem in the concept of Green's theorem. Okay, thank you so much.